Do you feel like you cannot learn Arabic because you're not a native? Let me tell you a story today that will help change your mind. Meet Sibawayh, a Persian scholar who not only mastered Arabic but rather became the godfather of Nahu, Arabic grammar. And here's the kicker: it all began with a mistake in Nahu. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Sibawayh was a Persian. He did not live in the Arab lands. He was not born in the Arab lands, nor was Arabic his mother tongue. He was learning the Arabic language as it was compulsory because he wanted to study Islamic sciences like fiqh. One day during a class he made a critical mistake in grammar. His teacher pointed this out, and this left Sibawayh feeling extremely embarrassed. Now this embarrassment ignited a spark within Sibawayh that caused him to go on to learn and master the Arabic language. This embarrassment was a huge motivation for him to go on and to never make a mistake in Nahu again. Driven by his mistakes, Sibawayh set out on a journey of transformation. He travelled to Basra, a hub of linguistic scholarship, where he immersed himself in the study of Arabic under great scholars like Al-Khalil ibn Ahmed. Sibawayh wasn't just learning the language, he was dissecting its rules, questioning its structure and mastering its beauty. He spent years refining his understanding, proving that passion and perseverance can break any barrier, even when it comes to learning a foreign language. Sibawayh's hard work and determination led to a groundbreaking book known as Kitab U Sibawayh. Kitab U Sibawayh was the first book to break down Arabic grammar rules in a clear and systematic fashion. It became the go-to guide for anybody wanting to study Arabic grammar. Imagine this: a Persian man of no Arab descent. He's not a native Arabic speaker. He was the first person to pave the way for people to learn Arabic grammar. Sibawayh's story is a powerful reminder that you do not need to be a native in order to master the Arabic language. Sibawayh turned a grammar mistake into his life's mission, which still inspires us today. So if you're struggling with grammar, morphology, vocabulary, remember Sibawayh's story. The Arabic language does not care about your background. If you are willing to dedicate yourself to learning it, you can do it. So what's holding you back from mastering the Arabic language? Please share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know what is holding you back. Let's continue to inspire one another to keep learning.